Hey guys, so I have here my new JBL REFLECT MINI NC truly wireless earbuds. This is here the unboxing video. So we're going to have a look inside and see what features these earbuds come with. So first of all, JBL seem to have changed their packaging strategy here. Instead of using a plastic bag, they now use this wax paper. Now we can see what it says here on the packaging. So truly wireless, active, noise cancelling and waterproof. 21 hours of total playtime, so that means 7 hours for the earbuds, and then there's 14 more hours with a charging case. So IPX7 waterproof, and then of course Bluetooth, and we're going to see what version that is later on. Now the earbuds come with a frequency range of 20 Hz up to 20,000 kHz. That's amazing, and they achieve that with the 6mm driver. So then the charging case comes with USB Type-C charging port, which is good. And these earbuds also support voice assistants like Google Assist or Alexa. Okay, so then what else do we have here? So active noise cancelling, earphones for the secure fit during workouts, and then voice assistants. Here again, IPX7 waterproof. Then 10 minutes of charge time give you 1 hour of playtime. Then 7 hours total playtime with the earbuds, and then 14 additional hours. And then Bluetooth version 5.1, which is great. Okay, so now let's open this up here. And we can immediately see here the earbuds and the charging case. And then on the left side here we have some information about how to properly put these earbuds into our ear. Well, let's first have a look at the accessories that come with it. So we have the charging cable. This is here the USB with this little fin in the middle, so you don't have to worry about which way you put this into your USB port. And then the opposite side here, USB Type-C for the charging case itself. Then we have here the traditional quick start guide. I'm just going to go this really fast. If you want to see this in detail, then maybe just pause the video for a little bit. So this gives you all the information about how to control these. And then at the end we have the technical specifications. I'm going to zoom into this a little bit. And then we have here an additional document that shows us how to set up Google Assistant. Then next we have here a little package with additional earphones and ear tips. So there's 3 different sizes total, small, medium and large. The medium sized ones are the ones that are pre-installed on the earbuds. Now let's have a look at the charging case. So you see this one comes with a wristband that is pre-installed, and you cannot remove it. See how this just goes right into the case. So this may be useful. So then we have on top here the big JBL logo. Then on the front side, this little gray bar there, that's the charging indicator. And then a little writing on the bottom. And the back side we have the USB Type-C charging port, and then a reset button. Okay, so now let's have a look inside. So first thing we see, there is an additional LED here, or the blue one. I believe that's used for Bluetooth connectivity. And then of course the left and the right side we have the indents for the earbuds, with the 3 pins here for charging. Those pins do not come out very far, which is probably good, because people used to have trouble with previous versions where those pins would be gunged up and then they wouldn't charge right. So this is probably an improvement. Okay, so now we have here the left earbud. On the side where the JBL logo is, that's a touch sensor, it's not a haptical button. Then the small hole here next to it, that's for the microphone. Then on the inside we have here this black area, that's probably a proximity sensor, then the 3 charging pins. And then that small black dot that you see on the left side, that's an LED. As we've seen before, we have additional ear tip sizes, so we can easily remove this one by just pulling it off. You can see here into the hole of the driver. And then the ear fins, those are easily to replace by just pulling here on the fin part, and then you can slide this off. And you see how this mechanism works, how it stays in place. You have here this little shark fin here on the earbud, and then when you look closer at the ear fin on the inside here, that's where you see this little cutout here, this little black hole there. So the ear fin fits right over this little shark fin. And then now here, normally covered up by the ear fin, you see here the L for the left side. And there's also another L on the ear fin itself so that you know exactly which ear fin goes onto which earbud. And it's really easy to install. You just slide this over here. This is like some silicone, and then it fits really easily and snug. And then the same with the ear tip. Also, you just pop this over here, really easy to install. So then let's put this into the charging case for the first time. We have to do that because the battery of the earbuds are actually empty. So we charge these up for at least 15 minutes, and as soon as you put the earbud in, that's when the charging indicator here also lights up. You see here, my charging case is about 3/4 full, and you already see the LED starts blinking in blue here, so that means that the earbuds are ready to be paired. Now we have here the right earbud, which looks exactly the same as the left one, just that here on the side, on the ear fin, that's where we have the R. So you see the R on the earbud itself, and then also an R on the silicone of the ear fin. See this? Okay, so this was already it for the unboxing of the JBL REFLECT MINI NC. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these earbuds.